Toshiba AC timer mode not working? Easy fix. Your Toshiba AC's timer mode may not work because of an incorrectly set timer, exhausted remote batteries, or a blocked air filter or outdoor unit. To fix this, you should check that the timer is set correctly for your model, replace the remote's batteries, clean the unit's filters, ensure the outdoor unit is unobstructed, and reset the system by turning off the circuit breaker for a few minutes. Check the remote and timer settings, replace batteries, open the remote's battery compartment and insert fresh batteries, making sure the polarity is correct. Reset the timer. Consult your air conditioner's owner's manual to ensure you are setting the timer correctly for your specific model. Reset the remote. Remove the remote's batteries, then push a small pin or pencil tip into the reset button to discharge residual power. Reinsert the batteries. Check the air conditioner unit, clean air filters. Dirty air filters restrict airflow, which can cause various issues, including timer malfunctions. Remove and clean the filters with lukewarm water and mild detergent, then let them dry completely before reinstallation. Check the outdoor unit. An obstructed air inlet or outlet on the outdoor unit can also cause problems. Make sure it's not covered or blocked by obstacles. Perform a system reset, turn off the power. Go to your home's electrical panel and switch off the circuit breaker that supplies power to the air conditioner. Wait a few minutes. Wait for a few minutes before turning the circuit breaker back on. Test the timer. Once the power is restored, try setting the timer again to see if the issue is resolved. Check for error codes, use the self-diagnosis feature. Some Toshiba models have a self-diagnosis feature on the remote. Refer to your manual for how to access this to check for any error codes that might indicate a specific problem.